Good morning. We are going to work on brief exercise 9-11 in homework 2. It's suppose Nike Incorporated reported the following plant assets and intangible assets for the year ended May 31st, 2017. And so the information we are given is other plant assets for 939, land at 240, patents and trademarks at 530, machinery and equipment at 2200, buildings 900, goodwill 2200, or sorry, 220, accumulated amortization 46, and accumulated depreciation at 2,280. So to work on our partial balance sheet, we will start with the property, plant, and equipment. And as it says up in here, it says list the property, plant, and equipment in order of land, buildings, and equipment. So we start with land at 240, buildings at 900, machinery and equipment at 2200, other plant assets at 939, and then you will click less accumulation depreciation, which is 2280, which will get you, if we add the 900 plus the 2200 plus the 939 minus the 2280, and that will get us 1759. And then we add the 1759 to the 240 to get 1999. And then we start with intangible assets. We start with goodwill at 220, then patents and trademarks at 530, less the accumulated amortization at 46, and that gets us where we subtract the 46 from the 530, and that will give us 484. And then to get the total intangible assets, we will then add the 220 to the 484 to get 704, which we then can plug in over here, and there's our answer. And hopefully this makes sense to everyone, and I hope you have a great week. Thank you.